from Karen from Maryland. You know, Karen from Maryland. So we have the bag here. You know, we have the books, the pencils, and all of that. So the son
from Maryland.
Yeah, because your son is not here.
I'm very appreciated to be of my son.
So guys, so here's where Jenna live. You know, so before we go in there, let me show them exactly the bathroom where Jenna is. So she have come out of our house, you know, and show them where the bathroom and come around here. No matter what time in the night, any time of the morning, see, she have to squeeze through this. His name Simon, big him up.
Yeah man, Simon. You understand me? I say your sound is like a diamond.
Yeah.
Your heart and soul. Turn up the champion. So now we are on the town. If you know say we are like the dance. Simon around the place.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So, yes, guys, so, you know, as counting down today, you know, to get back to school on the way and all of that as well too. So it's been raining a lot today, so we haven't get to go on the road to buy the stuff that we need to buy because literally the rain just calmed down. The rain been falling literally all day, which is, them said Jamaica was drought, so that rain that kind of put little effort in clearing the drought, and that is also good, you know. So like just arrived here in Trenchtown, you know, time is a bit late anyway, you know, down in the evening because this is the chance I get to come out after the rain. So we're gonna take a walk up by Jenna, you know, because her project is gonna be the next project that we're gonna be doing, you know. So we're gonna take a look up there and see what it's gonna be. You know, we have Baja here as well, so we're gonna check out and see what the idea, you know, how we're gonna build the bathroom and our house, because as we mentioned before, like the members them is without a bathroom in their house because these houses never built that way to have a bathroom in it. You know, you have to literally come out the house and go to the back of the yard to use the bathroom. So today is a different thing, you know. We're gonna literally go and show and see what can get done, and then we'll definitely start the project whenever everything is clear, you know. So you're gonna hear we have bad. So Pineda here. How about your turn?
Big up on yourself, okay. Man, viewers and subscribers again, man. You see me, I say, just a coming off of the slave, so you don't know, man.
Yeah.
Everybody, man, love.
Yeah, man. So today we're gonna take a look at Jenna. You know what I'm saying? We have Rasta Jackson as well to his here.
Love every time, more love. Time family. One family say, extended family, one for more love. Every time, no? That's the far right, guide and protect every time.
Yeah.
You know,
so I'm saying the journey is very long, you know, because I remember Rasta Jackson project is going to be a big major one because, boy, you know, at least the one that we do now is the easy and quick one. Rasta Jackson one come like say, yo, you're going to need a skyscraper. A skyscraper, I'm going to take a little time. Right, Jackson? It's a skyscraper. You know? Yeah. So Jenna is just a bathroom, you know, boom bathroom, and you know, you know, reach down to the rest here. So journey long, you know, pinning up on the mission same way, you know. And the shoes, that's why I can't give. And the slippers, I can't give same way. And the slippers. The slippers there. The slippers. We have other slippers. It's called alligator.
No problem.
Yeah, and the slippers it name. Yes.
Get that name.
Crocs. And we have Baja here, so Baja is here today, guys. I'm saying we're going to take a look in.
They are going, you know.
Baja, young one. Dreamy, say hello.
Say hi.
We have. Let me call the police for you, you know.
Wave, man.
We have. Let me call the police. Wait there.
Too shy.
Dreamy, may I call the police? You want me call the police? So we have. Say hello. Me call the police. You think Baja gonna save you? Say hello.
No.
Say hello. You don't say hello? Alright, Baja. Now watch me case me call the police now, yeah?
Yeah, man, call them for you.
Yeah, man, because if I'm more than you see a bar and
thing.
she nah. So you get brave. A brave, you get brave. She will get brave. Yes, Baja, so we're going to take a look in from Jenna project and see what
yeah, see if we can get it going, you know?
Yeah, so we're going to see.
Overdue.
So we're going to see what literally need the idea, or we're going to put it across and the viewers and see what go on and know what we're going to need and everything there. You know?
Up and running, man. Ready for it.
Yeah. We have Barney Bop and them dark shades like Ray Charles.
Up and running, you know?
China man in the shop.
There, man. There.
China
Up
man.
and running, you know? Blessed love.
Alright, so Jella says she's at home. So we can walk out there. We there though. Come and walk out there.
Where we go?
Anna baby.
Anna, oh, favor Anna. Talk. She needs to non-stop breathe. This is Jenna daughter. Alright guys, so we're here at Jenna yard, you know, trench town where the zinc fences are, you know, the thing goes. So this is what the yards them look like, you know. I'm sure the homes them, they built without a bathroom, you know. Yeah. So basically, so guys, so here's where Jenna. So guys, so here's where Jenna live. You know, so before we go in there, let me show them exactly the bathroom where Jenna is. So she have come out of her house, you know, and show them where the bathroom is. And come around here, no matter what time in the night, any time in the morning, see, she have to squeeze through this, literally to come around here to use. So these are the bathroom that for everyone that live on this block. So it's about 8 rooms on this block, right? And you have the toilet and you have the shower here. Literally, so this is how them set up. So she has to literally come outside her house, you know, to come use the bathroom whenever, which is not suitable, you know, for this community. Whenever, you know, anything can always strip off and to come out of the house, to come literally come around here, you know, I'm sure you say it's not doable at all. So Mr. Baja look on something already. Are you a party to Jella?
Yeah, kitchen party.
Oh. So, you know, Baja for corporate and master plan, because let me say these houses, the spaces them is also tight as well too, you know, because everybody are trying to build something. Yeah. I'm gonna say there's an entrance here. Never know how build up this.
Spooga.
Oh, Spooga. Okay. You see them place in a trench, so look like an uptown, and you don't realize. You know, so imagine this is just like a house. So basically, other on the back, right? Yeah, so they come like that space here outside. Like that space here outside.
Yeah, this outside.
That's the problem now with trench is the space. Everybody will try for add on, and then the latter zinc fence them now make the walk in. At least we can go in the yard and see what we could utilize in the yard.
So normally, the person will come there so we them walk.
Yes, I know. Walk can so sometimes go so. Sometimes walk where I front is like mother.
Also the work space for him.
Yeah.
So basically, because the idea way, if him never walk here, so
I know most people use your saw again, you know. Actually, everybody build up them little thing.
Yeah.
Like people them run on the side they use your saw.
okay. Oh, the one that when they have a bathroom pan for them. Okay.
So they come through your saw.
And come use it.
Come use it.
Yeah. So Spooka build and theme bathroom as well too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to come outside, you have to use this.
Because Jella best spot it'll be right exactly yes away.
This are two different.
Yeah.
Would I work still same way?
Where for Billy so? Oh no.
You're going infringe with this.
Eh? No space now go left. Because for pass yes so they go infringe. So I must only like them that walk from the one way there. And that one way they go too long for them walk.
Yeah.
Literally look around so. So you come out of your house and go walk round here so. You see what I say? So you have to walk all the way around to forget. That wouldn't make no sense. We'd have seen the inside the yard. So guys, so this is where you have to squeeze through. Go on, pin it down. So you have to always squeeze through this. You know, when you come out of the yard, come to use the bathroom, which is, so this is the tight space where each have to come through, you know. So.
Alright, you have to go on.
So.
Because you can't, you go, got two different yards, this and that.
Yeah, this is two different yards. Go on.
See this? You have to utilize from here so to here. Right across here, sir? Because the good thing about it is that window is there.
Oh, the window.
Yeah, that window is there, so the bathroom could have fit in like that, so. Across here, so.
Oh, so you giant from the veranda.
Yeah.
And come out so.
Come back here, so you could have get a shower at the time. And the wastewater pipe out there, so the drain, the house just out, that wouldn't be a problem. So we don't normally do then, we don't just slab it.
So, yeah.
Slab it and then block it up and put in everything.
Okay.
So we have to block off here. So.
Yeah, the front part, right?
Alright, basically because if you're going to do all of that, you can see where it take place. We'd have to wait name there. I just block around there, sir.
From one side, come on.
Come round. Just block there, it makes sense. We block this, sir. And we leave just to remain that mean.
Yeah.
So we don't take it from one of the part where the board is.
Yeah, and
come round here, sir. And just slab it off.
Yeah.
But then again, when I do that, if we do that, we could have come in the way there, in the bathroom, that means the shower there. We'd have to put the shower to the side there. We'd have to put the shower in the corner here. And a door there, so. And the door enter inside from inside.
From inside, yeah.
Yeah, from inside.
And come through right as well.
Come in the bathroom.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. So leave it like this and do this and then here, so look like this. So
Yeah.
you say like that. I deal with something, we just deal with it and just block up the entire place. Incorporate
So
the
you're going to need to
bathroom.
dig off piece of that stuff?
No, anything there, so we work with it, man.
Okay.
When I do nothing but digging a step, I really did that's the only thing you have to put another thread down there, so because that step up there too high. And everything there, set it the way you have to set it. Block up there, so put a window there, so. You understand? Put one on the side. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, because you see it through here, so after you leave the passage, you don't have a square. So eventually you can't do anything on the side there because you have to leave access to the people them where go the side.
yeah.
So everything have to deal with this. So we have block this up, maintain back this. Come in here so and square off this. I build the bathroom right here. So
Yeah.
easy go that.
So you should have a tight little yard space where to work.
Eh?
Still a gargoyle.
No man, the whole space is still there.
So basically guys, so as I said, this is where Jenna live. You know, they can see, you know, the first time literally I see where she live. I don't remember me coming here, not coming here. Yeah, the first time literally.
They saw Joseph here.
Yeah.
We never come.
We never come in here, so we used to come in the yard a lot as well. So now the first time literally I see where she live as well too. You know, that will show you say the members them is going through the situation, but we don't see it. We went there when most of that time come, you know, we exactly know so what we need to do. So Barge have the idea plan out, you know. So Jella, you could see the veranda part. You want to see the veranda part? Okay, you could see the veranda part as well.
You can take off this. see the right thing to do. Alright, you see? So, you gotta just clear all of this, man. Take off all of here. So we don't block from here, so right round. And then we don't use that side here now to enter into the bathroom.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, because it's a concrete already. So.
yeah, then make sure you set the whole entire thing and just set it up back. It's gonna be an easier thing.
Yeah.
You know? Maintain back the kitchen and set up at the kitchen.
Okay, we'll have get the countertop right
Yeah,
there.
even slab in one countertop here, sir. And thing, you know?
Yeah.
Put the countertop on the side. And thing. You have the bathroom there, so put back a window here, so you don't want none on the side because you don't say that's at the dead side.
Yeah.
So you have to keep them places blank.
She have 2 fridge in here as well, too.
Yeah.
See.
You know?
So you see how that space there is for the
Tight.
deep there. So with the like how she have that fridge there, so we have to literally consider that as well, and she have a one there behind you. So 2 fridge that.
Well, the thing is, you know, the width of the fridge there is the width between us, so it can turn
away there.
over that side. You know? Understand? This way can able to maintain back same way, because if you put it in a counter here, so then the way them can go there. So either we put the counter on the side and maintain that space so where the fridge can go over there, so other one they can go over there, so but you know, we don't build the counter here, so then. But this thing, and just line it up back in now, the drain we are good away there.
Yeah.
So you have to dig out that drain there, so if you carry it back for going on the manual road, so which that easy, because I would say a manual run that road.
Yeah. And that's a wastewater that runs.
That's a wastewater. We don't run the one thing, because we have to run a 4-inch pipe going on the manual.
Okay.
Manual there in the pathway road there, so.
Okay.
You know?
So,
Black steel and
you know, so the whole of them house literally at the same idea them that they like, just like wow chef.
yeah, it's the same thing.
The same idea, because that's the same one room then.
Yeah, same thing.
And everything.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
So it makes sense.
Yeah,
It makes sense. So Baja, you just do a little rough estimate of things what we're gonna need, like the materials for start off with.
Yeah,
what
alright.
we're gonna need.
With this now, let's see.
So you have to go sit down and puzzle them.
No,
now.
no man. You need, if you start with 300 black.
That's where that come from round shop.
Yeah, it come from here, so, and go back, so, for go, so.
Okay.
Understand.
So 300 black it are
300 black.
It will rise
No, we not start from ground, you know. Remember, we're going to
yeah, that's what I say. It's gonna rise it from yourself.
Yeah, so we're going to slab off this, slab it off, put in some posts and slab it, and then start on top of it. And do it in some steel and thing. You know? One of the things is when we take out them posts, yeah. So we literally take out them posts, yeah.
Yeah, them posts never come out.
No, them, yeah. The whole of them have to come
But
out.
these jams
Yeah.
and stuff.
I take out them, yeah. And block it and carry it right up. So we're going to slope the roof up, they come out.
Push it up.
Yeah, push up this. Some more, to give you something better than I say, because if you come to this, it's all down here, so low, you know, want to maintain that out here, so.
Okay,
So
okay.
we have to go cut the rafter and then carry it higher and slope it off more.
Okay.
You know, because it's all the rafter, then you want to maintain that height then. So probably we'll have to cut the rafter this and then splice it, turn it so and carry it up high. But when we block up on them things, then we ease
know.
it off. And,
Because you definitely gonna need to push up with you.
yeah, you have to push up, because remember I said the point come down, so it reduce where you have from your heart. Look at me there now, to where this there, you see it?
Yeah.
So it have to go lift.
yeah.
Go up on them. You can start with a 300 black man. You can start with a 40 length of steel.
300 black
And yeah, 40 length of steel, and we have a slab on them thing there.
Yeah.
Oh, 140 bag of cement.
40 bag of
Yeah.
cement.
And 10 yard of sand, 10 yard of gravel. Yeah. Yeah.
But we're not get the 40 one time card.
But
We're not get the 40 cement one.
no man, no, that's me carry through the job, but you know, as we go along, because you can't store cement.
Yeah, because I
So,
get
but in order to carry the job to where it is, you need that amount.
That
But
amount.
when we are starting them, we take one 10 bag and we work it on and when we need it again, we go. But all like the sand, the steel and the cement, them they can't come because they can't spoil.
Yeah.
You know, so once we have them, then we can start and push the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because basically this now, you know, if we get in them thing there and them thing from coming, because basically what we're gonna need a post. We're gonna need to dig a post.
Right, so?
Yeah. To dig and put up a column here. No, when we measure from here to here, it's around 8. But we carry it to close. And I'm carrying it around here.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
And yeah. The wall, you carry it to here. And thing.
Okay. Yeah, because it's slotting right.
Yeah. And you have the width already because this width good enough. Because this can hold like this, you have to put the shower in and the corner. So. And then we don't put the face base here.
Yeah.
And we can put the toilet on the side.
Yeah.
The space, the shower for there against the dead wall in between.
So she could basically walk past the toilet for coming out of the shower then?
Yeah. Because normally when I'm doing them, I always put it next to the shower. So the shower there, so you put the toilet right against it. And them thing there. So if we do that and them thing, you want something like actually near 3 feet into in. We get a shower to the window. So.
Yeah.
But whatever space we will carry it as close as possible to this, to maintain the space. You know, so. And then again we are going to put up where things so we can get a little wideness. Because we can come down for the step here. So. Remember we're going to move that.
Yeah.
So we can step back that even 6 or 7 inches back to get a little more where we can the face there, so the tile there, so you can actually pass between it. You know? We don't know, we know if we work it out.
Yeah, we know you work the magic, you know.
Yeah, that's another plan. So we see the blueprint and now, so you don't know.
Yeah.
As we said, donors, this is it. You know, so Jella been waiting a long time.
Yeah, she did.
With all the walks, putting in the work for everyone. So now it reach her time to jump the hurdle and for you get the button.
Yeah.
So we are do our best right now. We want push it, you know, as fast as we can to make sure get a convenient. It's been a while, you know.
Yeah, she been
very patient
from the start.
Yeah,
and
very patient and
patient.
humble with it, you know. So it's just the right time now. As I say, Father God, I do nothing
Before the time.
until the time, you know.
Yeah,
So
before
this
the
is
time.
it now. So hands on heart tonight, and we're ready for the task right now. So
Yeah.
friends and family, Dream Team family,
Extended
as
family.
it is, extended family, you're always on board. I know say on this one.
Yes.
You know?
You know, I will ask them for all the love and support we can get towards this, you know, and then the overcomers now, you know, so basically guys, so you know the overcomers did already give us a donation from the earlier, probably in a while now, you know, probably over a year now, the overcomers literally they give us some donation, you know, which is we're gonna use to buy some material as well too. So you know me myself as well, I'm gonna chip in, you know, and help buy the materials them, you know, for the start, because I don't know, say we have to look out for each other, you know. So we're gonna definitely make sure so we have the start materials them, you know. Whenever you guys wanna contribute, we really appreciate it, you know, because I say you can see the team member them is really in need, them to speak of it, you know, because them put for them aside so that we could assist others out there, you know. So I think it's full time now because it's 5 years now, and as you can see, she's been there for 5 years, been waiting patiently, you know, because this program been going on for 5 years, you know. So I think it's time now we literally like focus on the members them and give them what them literally need, because them say you have to help yourself sometime before you can help anybody else, but then put that aside and try to help others, you know, which has been a very long time, you know. So it's due now, and we finally say we're back in trench, we're going to put in some work, because the last project that we did was Wow Chef, you know, so he's out the way as well, and we have more same ways to go. So this won't be a long thing, you know, because it's very small, it's convenient, so it's not a big mansion we're going to build or anything, so this won't take any time, you know. And the same thing with the rest of the member them, because everyone them lack bathroom, you know, because these houses never built with bathroom in Trenchtown. You have to literally come outside. So right now people want them convenient space, but then don't have to come outside to go use a bathroom where 10 different people are use, you know, which is in hygiene, you know. So they really have something right now. So I would thank you guys for love and support. So feel free, be a part of this movement, because remember, we always have to leave something behind when we leave this universe, so the legacy is about doing good, showing the love and the compassion, because I always say it, no matter what you have, when we die, we cannot take it with us. It's what we do with the time we have on this universe, and I say my purpose by giving and showing a compassion, which is the members them is the same, Baja, see him, I give him time, see him, because this is what he's going to leave behind. So when we are Baja and what the team members them leave this universe, everybody got to remember what Dream Team used to do, so that's an inspiration for the younger generation growing up, because trust me, if we was literally say we're paying people to do this work, it will probably be stagnant even more, because some builder price what I'm going to give and plus material. It's going to be too much pressure when you guys have an own problem for deal with as well too. So if you always appreciate Baja for the time and the team member them for them effort, for the labor with them push out, and Jella been doing that as a female. You should tell me last time, not because she's dressed like that, she not go the other way, she's straight. Like an arrow. Yeah. She don't take that bus there, so she always humble. She tried to sell her seasoning and her growing provision to make her ends meet. So say it's hand to mouth, because these things are like a front market where you can sell constantly, so it's whenever somebody wants something. So the situation already, So guys, I'm say I have some pleasure and thanks to come on board, and help moving forward with this. I say you have the other members them. So I could make a difference in people's life, I could leave this legacy behind. Extended family, trust me, you guys will live beyond the legacy with the things that you guys are gonna be doing, So thank you so much. So Jenna, we have a donation as well too. To us, come down and say, I don't know. I wonder if I miss at the time, so add. Come down here, so Jella, come back here, so look back on the name again. So, this from Everton and Anne Marie, yeah. So Jella, so here's $100 towards the project from Everton and Anne Marie from Canada.
Everton and Anne Marie from Canada. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. May your pocket never empty. Thank you again.
Yes.
Bless you.
I will give thanks. I will thank you also Everton and Anne Marie. Jamaica hot. You see the way I sweat. Hot. So we give thanks. So guys, let me say please feel free to come on board. We have Baja, we have Pineda, we have Rasta Jackson, and the rest of the
members them them gone on the road look it and dig it. So
yeah.
We represent for them same way, one family, Man, and they share the same cause.
Yeah, man. I'm sure that we've been showing the dedication from them time till now, and nothing never did change.
Right.
So they put in them diligence, so I guess it's their time now to really. And they have dream team. So we have literally.
It's a good feeling still, like you come back to the roots where it all started. So you can build back the vibes again and that energy there.
So we're there up on the ground again.
Great feelings, we're up on the ground.
At home. Where it started from. Yeah, it's a great feeling to say, yo, back home,
Yeah, man,
So we know that vibes once, that's when everybody can come out now. We now if you go left, right, so we don't have the vehicle to carry the body.
Let's get up off your bed and go in your bathroom, brother.
Alright.
Comfortable feeling, man.
Yeah, bro.
And it's been years now, these guys been living like this. Come out your house, guys, let me tell you, but chef literally come out this, make this work.
It's an outdoor toilet me have in America, outdoor. Yeah, man, I'm not afraid to talk, man. It's an outdoor toilet me have in my yard. Come out and go in my yard to use my toilet.
Yeah, because that's the case here in Trenchtown, Them build 8 bedrooms on this one straight block and to put 2 shower and 2 toilets and a kitchen as well. So guys, so this is also the kitchen. But people utilize the kitchens them and turn them in a house. You see, they literally turn them into a house. So these what you see right here, this is the kitchen as well, because these homes never build any kitchen also. So them build some outside kitchen for everybody could have used back in the days.
People them build them outside, the soldiers them come from the war.
Yeah, from the war, from the
build them outside.
This built from in the 50s, from in the 40s.
This was for the money come from the war, them time there. You know, because trench run is a squatters land, you know. So everybody here squat was squat, you know. It was a farmland, and then we realized that this was a place where them could actually build and make them come stay. You know. At after, when it started getting more populated, you know, but before, you know.
Two kitchen there going out, and two kitchen there going out.
When the people don't use about cooking.
Yeah, and then two population get bigger, everybody get more. Just start controlling them and build them.
Yeah, man. Some say we're gonna put hands and all together. We just know say we'll come knock off this quick and fast. Some say Jola should be waiting patiently. So a full time we put another smile on her face, because she hold a straight face a long time, you know. So I know when she get the elevation, you know, she walk out with her chest even higher. You know? Higher. And when she look and see the finishing, because remember it's always the before, you know. And trust me, when you see the after, whenever it's a dream team put something on the board, so you're gonna see Baja Magic Touch again once more, you know. And that is it. Our legacy, and we'll leave it behind, Baja. You know, the best thing that we can do in life right now. We choose the good route, not the bad route.
Not the bad route.
Because you know what the bad route brings? Pain. Is them and tears to the family. So we don't want to leave that, we want to leave the joy. When the kids them grow up and say, oh, my daddy built that house, my daddy used to do this, you know. So it make everyone who want to come and try it and say, no. Of course.
Because when them get big enough, them go tell of this story, you know.
Exactly.
Them are the one who are run up behind us and them thing, them young dreamers them. So every time them come and say, yes, my uncle do that, my cousin do that, a wow chef. See Pinedo, a Rasta Jackson, a Jella do this, them are part of Dream Team, so them all leave to tell the story.
Look much time them sit down and we talk about a story about the past. About how the community used to be.
So we are going to be for them story.
Exactly. So we are going to be our story.
You have to leave a positive energy.
Exactly. Especially when they go through the hard times and the negative point. They are going to say, yo, look how Dream Team try to keep the place nice and everything. Remember that. So we leave it, we do it already without don't even know that we literally were doing it right. It's going right now, man.
We're doing it here and there, you know, everywhere, so it's going said we are.
So them little one have to breathe the life in the same way.
This brother are the best of the community right now. The only thing we usually go on back from them, not to go on again.
And fade out, look about it.
Fade out.
Yeah, people are realize now, you know, say, it's either you take the right road, you know. It makes sense to look on the negative side, because it not work out.
You see when we are walking a bungo boy,
Look and
see we on the road. And I say, I wonder what the man they go do now. But them know, them see we are walk, them know say. And work, we are going to do.
We are breathe life in the community.
Positive, of course. So Jenna, I'm going to say, it's going to start, you know, so we have the back to school coming up and everything, so we're going to get the material them sorted out, you know, so we have to try figure out Baja space as well.
Man, just my name the man. Just buy the material, Baja there every day.
Alright then, so that is it, we're ready. We're ready. Yes, we're ready. So guys, so look at this community, look at this, that's the people living here. You understand? This is the kitchen, you know, right here. This is the kitchen, this for them turn into a home, you know. Also this one over here, kitchen them turn into a home. So people try.
This manual.
Oh, the manual right there, so. Okay.
I have that. I have that. Manual.
Yeah.
That you have everything.
Yes. Oh, good.
What you say, you have to go water for connect.
Oh, well, yeah.
No man, that's why I'm telling you. Yeah.
Oh, water pipe.
Yeah, for carry inside that.
Okay, that good. Because the water there as well too. Because there's a main. Where the main there? Where's the main?
Come, see, I eat that. Come up.
Oh, so everybody can find that one there. Okay, so I don't know if you can.
Good thing you go want a pump. No water now go up, you know, unless them have them.
Pump?
Yeah.
Okay, got the pressure.
The pressure. That was even a suck. When you suck, it was suck from
everybody.
The line I suck for everybody.
When you got turn on them pump,
everybody ball.
Alright.
You suck all the water.
At the front part alone of water.
Yeah.
Over there, so coming.
So you
She
know
needs
that
to have no water.
You know that tell you have to go have a little tank.
Yeah, for full of your
Store the
tank.
water and then pump from the tank
Yeah.
to your house.
Yeah.
So it don't disturb nobody.
Yeah, because
So when by the time she start pump, now I hear it start, then the seed start, come back at them place.
Yeah, when
So-
it's overfull,
So basically a tank can go up on for your bathroom then.
Yeah,
on top of the bathroom.
On the bathroom. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good height that so. Because she alone of her, so she don't need no big tank. She just needs something for just maintain and a little pump as well too. You know, so yes man, ready. You know, cause Winston Akeynote, when you're ready, so all the excellent from Akeynote, when you're ready, we're ready. So guys, we are ready. Is it me? We are ready. So let's do this. Winston, all the excellent family, come on. Let's line up and let's do this. We're ready to do it and we're on the go. So this is it again, you know. So you know I think of dream team and team. Alright then Jenna.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
Chino.
I'm gonna pick up my laptop, go give it Damari and go fit and then walk over there as well too. You know, so that is that. Jackson? Yes, we need So guys, we're ready again. You know, we in the community. Yeah, we in the community and it's like with a great vibes, you know? Great vibes. Alright guys, so we're still on the journey, so before we head to Damar, we'll make a stop off because I got an envelope here, you know, from one of our excellent family, one of the Dream Team kids, which is they're related as well too, you know, and it's from Anonymous from Canada, and them sending for the most famous fiercest one, Grapey. Say, show your face. Fix your face. Smile and Grapey. Give me a wave, man. Grape, me a wave. Full of mouth, yeah. So this is the granny?
Grandma, yes.
Oh yeah, young grandma. Baja. You believe so she's a grandma? She a young grandma. Take it shoes. Grape, is that your grandma?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. Grape, no way, tell me the lie, you know, because we don't want to get the wrong person the money. Is that your grandma?
Yeah.
Really? Young granny? Alright, so we have this. So inside the envelope from Anonymous from Canada. For you, Grape, stand beside the grandma. Yes. So we know. So we have $100 Canadian for you, Grapey. Grapey and her sister. So there's a letter inside. So it's a Grapey and her sister.
And her sister.
Yeah. So so Grapey and her sister. Oh, and it's her auntie. Yes, I'm her auntie from the father side. Okay, so it's your auntie that sent it from the father side. Okay. Yeah. So see there? The message in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Thanks. Tell him thank you.
so thank you, auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay. So and this is the granny, so you can thank the auntie as well too.
Alright, thanks, Auntie. Thanks a lot.
So here is the 100 Canadian.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
from the auntie. Right, so that you will definitely know who is it, right?
Alright.
Alright then, Grapey. So see you at back to school treat on Sunday, okay?
Tasha wonder when it will keep.
On Sunday?
She don't worry about it.
Yes, so Sunday to come eat ice cream, eat food, jump and bounce and castle, do everything, okay? Alright then, so thanks. Yeah man. Alright guys, so we give thanks to Anonymous, you know, from Canada, you know, for assisting our niece, because to watch the program and saw our niece and the program, you know, the two of them, you know, Classic and her, you know, and yeah, Classic and her, and she reached out, you know, while I was there and give me envelope for them. Yeah, so heading over by Damari now to drop off the laptop as well that was sent for Damari's son, and also a knapsack bag, you know. Oh, go on. Playing game. Where you say we can't enter? Where your Sunday? You have to play a game. Oh, a blue light in here, our dance floor. Disco light go on in here. No, so,
I'm going to put it on white.
yeah, put it on white.
That's white.
Yeah. Yeah, because Damaria keeps too love inside here, guys. You know, you know the blue like a disco light thing in my deal with. Yeah.
One day I come over. Still there, Portmore.
Oh, I'm there, Portmore.
Yeah, my godmother. She deal with some things soon to you, because she deal with him passport.
Okay, yeah.
And him bank account and the local people.
Okay. You see?
I'm a spin now.
I'll spin.
Spin the bottom. Rock it up.
Alright, look at that family, because that make a lot of noise. So, Damaria, so you say your son there, Portmore right now?
Yeah, Monday I come over, yeah?
Oh, Monday.
Yeah.
So, I miss all the back to school treat.
Yeah, that thing over there, yes. Monday I come over.
Yeah, but...
I mean, there over here yesterday, but him go over. He bring some paper for my sign up. And then go back in the evening. So she said Monday she might carry him over because I'm going to go up there.
Yeah.
So we go carry him, rental them and get back.
By the books?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
we have some rental, you know. For up, so we say I'm going to carry it in a Monday. Him granny will pay the school fees, you know.
Okay, so the school fee what they give the other day Monday before it pay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So that go out of the way.
Yeah.
And nobody's never contact you as well, you know?
No.
About the school fee the time.
No.
So that means that you never do it as it then. So alright then, so
I have the book list too.
you have the book list? Right
That's
there.
it.
Book list, guys, so the book list that. I'm not lie. What about you from the Esther? Take it off the car. No side. That Marina said, army hat. Yo, listen, it's the rain my fall as well to, you know, the place literally well hot. You know, so basically this is the book list. Excel say it's a grade 8 in my going on. So I hit this.
Yeah, man.
Do all them. So okay, so the Chromebook and the laptop that they matter about, right?
Yeah.
Tablet as well too?
You can get the laptop and then need a tablet.
Okay, so your laptop, you know, a dual core processor. So the books then they know. So you might do dance and drama, English language, English literature. Okay. French or Spanish, history, geography. Yeah, the family and consumer management as well to industrial techniques, information technology, integrated science, mathematics, music, physical education, religious education and visual arts. It's a long book list. So yeah, you see, as a musical school now, my bag is so heavy with book lists. But these are the subjects. Yeah.
These are the book.
These are the subjects. What am I doing?
Yeah, and then.
So I'm gonna need a book for the subjects then. Wow. Nah lie. So what? Alright, so that was so we have Karen from Maryland. You know what I'm saying? 2 persons to reach out about the laptop. You know, I'm gonna say to yourself, let's see which one reach first and everything. But I wanted to reach while I was away.
Canada.
Yeah, so this one did reach and there, so at least it's the first one. So guys, I'm gonna say we finally got a laptop, you know, for Damaris son. You know, I wish him was here, could have received and see the smile on his face, but he will see it when he get home anyway because he's with his grandma in Portmore, you know, so his godmother. So he will be back over here, that is Monday, you know, so he will miss the back to school treat, but no worries, you know, he will still get a bag same way, you know, because Karen also sent a bag with also the laptop. So Esther, take out the laptop. Okay. See it here. So this is a HP laptop. You know. So this. Yeah, man. So this takes all pressure off the Mari. You know, and the family. So this is the HP laptop. So literally. So this is the right thing for him. You know, it's brand new. You know, brand new. Buy in the store, and you know the thing goes already. So that's him. And also, what's else in the bag? That's in the bag. So we have pen also in the bag, and pencil also in the bag. And this is for the laptop, charger for the laptop. Hold on. Yeah. And here is the bag as well. So the bag is also for him. So I guess for the back to school treat him not have to worry because he get a bag already. So I guess you don't have to buy a bag yet. So that's the bag for him as well too. So you have the bag and the laptop and all of that. You know, so hold on, my address. Alright, so don't worry. So I'm saying these are the stuff here from Karen from Maryland. You know, Karen from Maryland. So we have the bag here. You know, we have the book and the pencils and all of that. So the son
from Maryland.
Yeah, because your son is not here.
I'm very appreciative to be of my son. Much love and make your food basket never empty. Karen, you know what you're doing for me and my son. Very, very, very appreciative. Much love. You hear me at all, yeah?
Yeah. It's Karen from Maryland. So Karen, we thank you so much, you know, for blessing the Mary, you know, and for the situation. And let me say, wish the son was here so we could have see the smile on his face. Because I really smile much, you know, so that smile it'll be unique.
Yeah, he raised when he see the laptop.
Exactly.
Every day he asks me about the laptop, you know.
Every day, Max.
So now we gotta call him and make him know say.
You don't have to call him, when him come, make him see it.
Give him a
Maybe
surprise.
yeah. Just call him, you can make it stay in the bag and say, yo, see a bag over there, so look what I need for you.
Not even gonna give him granny, but I make him come over here and come see it.
Yeah, make him come over here and come see it.
Not even granny, I have a tell you so I get it. Just
So,
give him a surprise as what you say, you know?
yeah, man, give him a surprise, man, because I'm really like that surprise, though. You know. So I'm sorry, never there, but yeah, man. So next time we'll see him, he can tell Karen.
Much love.
Thanks as well, much love, you know.
Yeah.
So Karen from Maryland.
Maryland, I very, very appreciate, you know, from behalf of my son. Okay, Karen, and big up yourself.
I will give thanks, So, Karen, you know, we thank you so much, Karen. You know, we thank you for the blessings. You know, we thank you for helping out Damari. As we say, we need to help grow this youth, you know, because the situation we go through, we have to dare for him to literally stay on the right route, because we don't want to see him try the wrong route. It's very easy to do the wrong thing, you know, in life. So with guidance sometime in life, you know, that's all. So don't worry. So with the book list, right? So basically you have to check and see what the price will be. So at the bookshop. So guys, so this is the book list, you know, where definitely you will need some financial support towards it, you know, but you wouldn't know the price yet. You wouldn't bring it to the bookshop and they can give him a rough estimate and tell them what the cost will be, you know. So if anyone interested in helping this little youth for the future, helping little boy for the future, I want to help out with the book list, you know, you can contribute whenever or anything you can contribute. You know, so hopefully the next time, or hopefully we can get it before, you know, even though we don't have an idea what the price will be. I'm thinking I'll try to find out the price, how much everything that costs.
I'm glad you have to go do that.
Yeah, my reasonable place up as through the one Boulevard.
Through the one Boulevard?
Me and Book Express.
Okay.
It's a me everybody I talk about.
Oh. Yeah, but tell her about Book Express.
Make sure go up
Through
there.
the one Boulevard.
Make sure go up there and try to find out.
Books expensive now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So like all for them book lists, they were so expensive?
Yeah.
Well expensive.
So roughly how much you think you might look on?
That, oh the laptop, let me see the laptop, come on.
The laptop come off?
Yeah. Sure. The English and the maths book. Oh, them say the school have this. Them say the bookshop.
A school of the...
Yeah, or the major bookstore have this. Some of them the school have them. So my first look which part where the school have.
But you still have to buy it from the school,
Yeah.
right? But you might as well buy it one place and have everything one time.
But sometimes the school make it, you know.
Oh, school make it?
Yeah, them tell you say.
Okay.
Yeah, my school have maths book and them make it.
Sometimes they give them rental.
Or the school give them rental sometimes.
So these not coming in rental?
No, that's why them give with that.
Oh, this everything. I good amount of money that though.
Good amount of money?
Yeah.
Where you call good amount of money?
Yes, that roughly 40,000 or more. Yeah, cause and a book alone upon it, you know.
Yeah.
You need like soya or drama, this and that. What?
All for money.
Yeah, that every man.
Well, education is very expensive. You know.
Help him out, see that.
Yeah.
You
But
don't want him come. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Turn certain things, so I just do what me have to do. I can get some help from the extended family, different from my family with them. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
I do my well.
See this? Material to be purchased. This is the department. So my food just mark off for the school. Yeah.
Okay. Alright then, Damari. You know, keep our finger crossed, you know, and keep and pray and hope something can come true. You know, and make something happen for you, you know. So let me say we get the major thing, the most expensive one out the way, which is the laptop. I would thank Karen once more from Maryland, you know, brand new laptop, HP, you know, so we really appreciate that, you know, and this is good enough for you. So Damari, big up yourself, you know, we'll keep you posted, yeah? God bless. Yeah? So
No
bless
one
you.
has big up on yourself and much love and all of my extended family. Just big up on yourself.
Alright.
Making a food basket never empty, you know?
Well. Yes, guys, so I just reached at the night market, you know. It's been a while. You know, night market feels new to me right now. Very new, so I don't know. It doesn't look that busy like how it usually does, you know. I wonder if I try to go away and leave night market, the people them stop turning out. How I go on? Can out here used to look a bit more festive, you know, but look, like cars is here, but it feels different, looks different, you know. Usually it's a bit more hectic than this as well too. So I don't know what's going on. So let's go inside. But usually you see so many people outside as well too. People coming out, going in. Doesn't look that active. I can hear live performance going on right now. Night market. Yeah, I make her walk.
Drumming at high frequency.
See, it's more just the earth. The place is a bit quiet. It's like I left with the energy. Now I have to bring it back.
So I did this one to Miami.
Who that? Go on. One son's in the building.
I'm gonna say subscribe,
Yeah.
like, and comment.
Yeah.
On channel, you see me?
Hey, I want to tell you, say,
One key,
sit there.
good youth. See,
We're back here on the ground.
you know, man, we got pineapple chickpeas, yes. We got the ackee pasta.
Yeah.
The quinoa black. We got bulgur.
Yeah.
See, we got ilaloo, dry bits. We got grilled jackfruit.
Oh.
See there? We got black bean soup.
Black bean soup.
Stew as well. One in one.
One in one.
Alright, that's all. Sweet potato. That is it.
That is it.
Yes, sir.
What are the drinks then? I've been having on my drink.
Juice. Yeah, man, me have here juice there, man. The great beetroot and ginger is there for the eye.
I never that one there.
Hold on. Another one there, you know what I'm going to do a while ago.
Yeah.
Perlina and soursop.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, but yes, it's true, me never get the notify, say the higher found it.
Yeah.
I never to make no extra effort because soursop can't find it now, me I tell you people.
Okay.
Yeah, everything are exports, so right now, bars up on the gum.
Yeah.
Me personally, I go Portland to look
Yeah.
soursop found in Kingston.
Alright.
What me have there, me have guava with pine and lemon. Me have june plum, me have beetroot, yeah, and me have guinea with pine.
Alright.
That is it. One Son's Cafe with the Kingston Night Market. I'm say big up Akeynote channel. Like, subscribe and comment.
Oh.
That is it.
That is it. There upon black, you know.
Those have found it.
Yeah. Now really know the thing goes.
You don't link up on the app, you know, but you don't get no response.
Hey, I'm gonna say, yo, come out a message on our phone there.
You go on and come like when you go so
Yeah.
different network.
Okay.
So maybe you know see.
Yeah. Grab a belch. You check the airport, man. Hey, grab a belch. Imagine, Imagine, What the artist name again?
My artist name?
Yeah.
Machuja or Malaija.
No, is it Machuja
Yeah.
or Malaja? One of them.
Alright, listen, me have an album released like from 2007. The album name is Dancing Shoes, yeah?
Yeah.
So you can go up on YouTube
Yeah.
and type in Malaija.
Malaja.
Yeah, Malijah.
Yeah. So-
And the album they do half fight in Jamaica, they do half fight in Spain.
Okay.
Yeah, in Barcelona. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you know why I'm asking, you know,
Tell
say I was there rolling around in Canada with one of my brethren.
Yeah.
You know, and I play peer music, peer song different, and I'm like, all the artists here, you know, listen to that song, and I'm like, with a voice that sound familiar. You know, my white brethren, you know, white man, you know,
Yeah.
drive up and down and show me around the place. I'm like, the artist here, I'm like, with it. The voice that sound familiar.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure me on YouTube,
Yeah.
Malaja or something like so.
Yes, sir.
I mean, like, grab a belch.
That means say one man.
I mean, I say, yeah, man, I'm a brethren, man.
You see, before COVID, I tour me, I go on, you know.
Oh.
And COVID locked me down, my lad.
Oh.
And spread me out of ground.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
me have to turn and do juice.
The juice,
You understand?
okay,
That's why
yeah.
you see me there sell juice, because the thing kind of get watered down. But you know,
Yeah.
water down, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes the pool just get
Dry, so you have to just
you have
get
to
it back
build
up and
you
run.
understand? Still they are doing thing, man.
This is the man that play the song, and me like, yeah, this sound like somebody I know. I'm like, type it in on YouTube, but when I type it in and look, and you must pop up, come and say, oh, that voice that sound like Grandma Beg. So,
You understand?
you know, me and the man that drive around in a Toronto, and the man that show me around, you know. I can't believe the man say, yo, tell him, say, you meet me, I was playing. Tell the man that was a bass in him car, when I play music, it's like the whole place can hear. And I saw the man that bounce the music, and I said, that voice that sound familiar.
Look like Toronto ready for me, you know.
Yes,
A long
man.
time, a long time I do the album done.
Alright.
Me tour Europe, me go France, me go Spain, me go England, me go Germany.
Yeah. His name Simon, big him up.
Yeah, man, Simon. You understand me? I say you sound it like a diamond.
Yeah.
Your heart and soul turn up the champion sound, and we around the town. Them for no say we are like the dance, Simon around the place. Yeah man, rubber belt, my chuja, I chuja, say that, you see?
Yeah.
Love and life.
Rubber bells. Alright, big up, big up.
Yes man.
Alright guys, so time for me to go see. Yeah. It's been a while. Here.
I like
Yeah. Yes, Mel. 7. Melly. Yes, my general.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Melly.
We're from England.
Yeah.
This family is Vernica and our wonderful family. Vernica's from Zimbabwe.
Okay, big up.
They watch the program.
Yeah. See there? I met them know say you're in Jamaica. You know, to get in the best thing. From from Africa to England.
Sing large,
Yes, yeah, I need it. The A tax, B tax, C tax, D tax, E, F, G tax. You know, I need all the tax I can get, but not the money tax.
Except government tax.
Yes, except the government tax. I am finally here. Some know the area and all the tax I could get right now. Well, I full up of this and full up of that, and now I go wash out of this and wash out of that right now, and get rid of this and get rid of that. So feel good already, you know. Yeah, man.
Makes sense. It totally makes sense.
So see the guys, yeah, all is here. You know, we have 7 in the building. So yeah, my D tax, A tax, and C tax.
Everything, we have all the tax, man.
All right.
From A, B, C, D, and D, all the way to Z.
But no
G.
But no plus tax.
No plus tax.
No plus tax. Yes, guys, I don't need no plus tax.
Say it, so.
7. Work.
Yeah, man, I'm going to put you on the beat. I'll get to the whole D-tax package, cause
Yeah, man. I mean that?
Basically, I use this.
Are you set me up already?
Well, you don't know these things come pre. Pre-set.
Oh, me have some of this already over left back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you're going to need your adult worm out and cleanse.
All of that. Yeah.
All these good things.
Can bring a little package phone as well, see, you know. Yeah. Have to bring a little package, you know.
As much as it's nice to give and feel good to give, it's also nice and feel even better to receive.
Exactly, you know. Can them say when they give, you shall receive.
Yes,
right. So open this bag for me, yeah. Please and thanks.
We get gift.
Yes, that's right, man.
Open this bag.
Yesterday 7 say, yo, kid on the market. I said, kid fly out.
Yeah. Where's 7? Where's gone as well too? 7. Come here, 7. The last time I get 7 at the wrong color I get. So I don't know if 7 will like this color. Can remember you're a soldier, you know? Yeah, you're a soldier, right?
Why did it say 6, 7?
Where's so cause you're 7.
He said 6, 7.
What channel? 6. I hear number this.
Yeah, number that 6, 7.
This is Canada though.
Yeah.
This is Canada.
You went to Canada?
Yeah.
No, you just went to the United States to go visit my uncle.
I've been there the last time, bro. I'm going back soon. Okay.
We're going to try. So Keno bring the hat for you. So what are you going to tell Keno?
Thank you.
Big up, see that? 7. I was like, 7 is very picky, you know. So last time I bring at him says it's not my color. So I say no. Since I'm not the army. Nelly, I like your shell. I like your watch. 6, 7. What time is it saying?
Time for money.
So yeah. So
Watch out, man.
yeah.
Man, I want this man. Watch out now. Look like it's a duck.
Yeah. If you don't like it, it's not
Yeah.
Tell me I'm looking at Keenan, coming down the same.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Is that you then?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What is that, Daddy? What is
The African thing, you know.
You know the African wear.
I here's a t-shirt as well, another t-shirt from. See it there? One, yeah. Remember say you look out for me, you know, so.
Definitely.
Yeah.
What's in this bag?
So.
I will get some t-shirt too, you know. See it there? Where's it? It's a lead. Canada. Big up Canada.
Big up Canada. So Melly. I brought something for Mel. Mel. I brought something for you as well to Melly.
I look forward. What did you bring me?
Because me know Mel. Yeah. So Mel read the money. So I 50 Canadian.
Abundance dinero accepted.
Yeah.
I shall be in Canada very soon, you know, so my dinero shall be going to Canada, you know.
That's your 50 Canadian.
Thank you so much, Kino. I'm grateful.
Yeah.
You need to know.
Yeah, man, the right thing I bring for you, right? Raw cash. I was looking at something, I said, Mel, that way, so I said, no, let's bring Mel the raw cash. Mel different the raw cash, then, straight. Yeah, that's not too big.
Okay, now guess what? It's never too big, you can take it up.
Yeah.
So the price better big and small.
But it look bigger like the wrong size them give me.
What me say, you know, we're going to take it up.
Yeah, take it in.
We're going to take it in.
Take it in.
Smart. I'm loving Richard.
Yeah.
See, nice art.
Yeah. Just take it in and I use that.
Look on R7.
Oh, 7. Soldier, but please don't shoot me, okay? As I am your friend, okay? Don't shoot me. Give me a different style. But maybe show the African style, you know.
But normally we are mixed together.
Yeah.
Put it on and see.
So my package, you know, yeah, so.
Yeah, the detox package.
Well, I'm saying what is elderberry wine? Something new?
No, you know, we always have it, but
So this can be used for your
okay.
on your body, pain, anti-inflammatory.
Elderberry wine.
It will be strong.
So, detox package is here and ready as well, guys. See the adult wormhouse. At this first, right? The first thing for 1 week.
yeah, man.
Adult wormhouse. So,
Yeah, man.
so tell them what's going on now. Yeah.
After you do the adult wormhouse, 4 of them, take them every night. You know, like 4 hours after your last meal.
Yeah.
I'm not going to send you in the bathroom or nothing like that. They're just going to go and chop up and cut up.
Chop up and cut up what's to get rid of.
Yeah, to get rid of. So on your 8th night, you're going to drink the colon cleanse.
Colon cleanse.
Yeah, entire bottle. It's colon cleanse.
And the colon cleanse is after the
adult wormhouse.
1 week.
1 week. Yeah. After you do it, miss a step.
Yeah.
While you're taking this at night, you're going to take the activated bamboo charcoal, 1 tablespoon in a bottle of water or a cup of water.
Okay.
Every day.
Every day.
First
So
part of the day.
bottle now.
Yeah, man. Because for shipment, they always bursting and creating a mess.
Okay.
So we have to lock it because it's active, you know?
Yeah.
Active.
So 1 teaspoon,
1 tablespoon.
tablespoon in a bottle of water.
Yeah, man. Alright, so when you go through that,
so this for the week and that every day, right?
yeah, man. So that at night,
This at night.
worm out at night. Activated charcoal in the day, in the first part of the day.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon.
So you go through that, then on your 8th night, you drink the colon cleanse.
So the 8th night.
Yeah. Now, 9th or the 10th morning, depends on how you're feeling after the colon cleanse.
Yeah.
You know, you can do it that next morning or you can skip and just do it on the 10th morning. You're going to do circulation, blood purifier, and there's a noni. Where is the noni data? Well, you normally go with the noni plus.
Yeah.
So you can continue with the noni plus. And
I don't have any.
Yeah, man. So we'll get to the noni plus.
Oh, see, I detox.
At the detox, yeah, but the detox, man. But you're gonna work with the noni plus. I don't have none here, you know, my vehicles. Let me.
It's in the vehicle?
I guess I have to put on a label on this one.
Which one is that one?
Alright, I'm gonna give you the busy beer tonic.
Okay.
In there too. You know, you always go with the king of the liver.
Yeah, shall deliver.
Yes.
King of the liver, it shall deliver.
That's not included in the detox packet, but I always recommend that because the king of the liver is good for fatty liver. It's good for clearing plaques out of the arteries and also the blood vessels them. So the king of the liver is something that a lot of people will need. Yeah. Even with people who suffering or fighting weight loss and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's formulated to help the liver to burn fat.
Okay.
Because that's where the issue comes along when you find yourself not losing weight.
Yeah.
Go to the gym and run all 100 miles and still. Because those fat cells need to unlock. So once the gut send the information and the liver get it, the liver send it back and say, alright, burn out this fat.
Yeah.
So that's why that's why we call it the king of the liver, because that's the purpose. And this one got good for also for, you know, fatty liver we cause from alcohol as well. So a lot of people drink fatty liver. Yeah. High cholesterol, same thing. Along with the circulation and the liver. It's good for the people who have a high cholesterol issue.
Okay. So this needs to go back in the bag, right?
I like the butterfly you want in your ring.
You need the dandelion also.
Yeah, and the chocolate, everything finished.
Alright, we have the chocolate.
Yeah. Everything, the Guinea finished. Everything finished.
Everything done.
Yes. So dandelion, you put dandelion on it?
Dandelion in there.
Everything done. So we need to go to the vehicle for circulation.
Right, so it's kind of losing now.
So it's in my package here, guys. We're able to treat it. The Guinea, chocolate, dandelion. You never put king of the liver in there?
You never get, seeds here.
Okay.
So we have the king of the liver.
It's working because once you see that.
Something else missing?
No, just the noni.
Okay. Yes, guys, so I'm getting. I have a noni there.
And this is a noni plus. We have the regular noni and then we have the noni plus. You know, noni plus is your thing.
Yeah.
And why we say plus is because it has tamarind, Guinean added to it.
The extra. Okay.
Hey, beautiful, how you doing?
And this one also has the noni leaf. The noni leaf, the fruits, you know, the green fruit, the ripe fruit.
Yeah.
Turn up to a level.
Yes. So that means you don't need to go back at the vehicle then, right?
No. That's what I would.
Solid. My bag looks solid and ready. Melly, I like your watch.
I know, it's my bracelet. My friend from Trinidad gave it to me.
Yeah, it's telling time,
a client
right?
came and she just decided that's what she was gonna give to me. I was so excited.
Wow.
So it's a womb healing thing. So it will be sold here to help women to gain therapy.
Okay.
So help women to gain access to therapy, you know?
Very unusual.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, very, very.
Thank you.
Alright. So guys, you see the thing, you know the thing already. So I'm here. I get what I needed. And I'm gonna be detoxing straight away. I ain't waiting. So you know the thing, guys. So blessed love. Peace.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.